Stop scrolling, close your eyes for a second, and imagine the perfect Sunday morning. You have got a hot latte, a good book, and you are wrapped in a sweater that feels like a literal hug. One you made or one your customers will fight over in your Etsy shop. Today we are looking at crochet pattern. We are looking at the future bestseller of 2026. If you have been looking for that one dress design to kickstart your handmade business or finally clear out your yarn stash with style, you are in the right place. We are diving into the cozy cardigan edit, 10 minutes of pure inspiration to help you create pieces that sell themselves. First up, let's talk about the cloud weight oversize. In the world of online selling, texture is your best marketing tool. Since customers can't touch the screen, they need to see the softness. Think balloon sleeves and drop shoulder. Using a larger hook with a lighter weight yarn creates that airy drape heavy look that's dominating social media right now. If you are making these to sell, focus on your product photography on the squish. A close up for the ribbing or a shot of the sleeves bunched up near a coffee mug tells the buyer exactly how cozy they will feel. Next, we have the modern heirloom. People are moving away from the fast fashion. They want pieces that look like they have a story. This is where your craftsmanship really shines. We are seeing a massive resurgence in granny chicks, but with a twist. Instead of loud, multicolored squares of 70s, think monochromatic palettes or earthy tones like terracotta, sage, and oatmeal. If you are selling these, highlights the slow fashion aspect. Mention how many hours of love went into every stitch. Buyers aren't paying for sweaters, they are paying for your artistry. Don't overlook the transitioning cardi. They are sharper, shorter, cropped, and usually feature a lighter cotton or bamboo blend. These are the workhorse of the handmade wardrobe because they transitions perfectly from the office to the weekend brunch. Consider adding functional details like deep pockets or unique toggles in strategic market. Functionality is a massive selling point. Use keywords like breathability, layering pieces, and versatility in your listing. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the business. To turn this design into profit, remember the rule of three. The palette. Stick to 3 to 5 cohesive colors for your shop to create a brand look. The lighting. Natural light is your best friend. The story, don't just sell the size, tell them where they will wear it, and it's the side campfire, sweaters, or a rainy day wedding wrap. Give them a reason to need it. Which of these styles are you going to grab for your hook for? Let me know in the comments if you are team chunky knit or team vintage vibe. If you found the spark of inspiration today, hit the subscribe button. We have got plenty of design deep dive coming your way. Now go grab your yarn and start creating. I can't wait to see what you make. Happy hooking. I will see you in my next upcoming video. Till then, take care of yourself and must remember me in your prayers. I will see you in my next video. Okay viewers, Allah Hafiz.